Hello everyone, I'm Kanishka and welcome to my English classes online. So today's topic is going to be adverb according to class 6th and Oxford University Press book, which is New Learners Grammar and Composition by Sangeeta Sen. I hope you have the book already. If not, I hope I help you somehow in the topic clearance of adverb. So let's start the class. So yes, as I have mentioned before, today's topic is adverb. So according to me, for the ease of understanding the subject, we are going to say that the definition is a word that adds information about verb, adjective, and adverb is an adverb. Now the definition itself has the word in it. Though it seems complicated, it's not. Like anything that describes something, adds or negates. As I've used the word add only, and now I'm saying negate also, adding -1 to something is also adding up. So keeping that in mind, let's say anything that adds or negates information in the verb, adjective, or adverb is adverb. Now, the book definition says a word that modifies the meaning of the verb, an adjective, or another adverb. That's another way of learning it. Whichever you find more simpler, please go accordingly. Now, there are now, first of all, before we move any further, now I remember that let's have an example of an adverb. So, how am I teaching, right? So, if I say, how am I teaching? How is an interrogative adverb. And how beautifully adverb works, that how am I teaching? Answer is going to be, am I teaching nicely? Or, sorry, that was another question. I am teaching nicely. So nicely here is a simple adverb. Now, can you guess what kind of adverb it was? Please do answer in the end of the video to the comment section. Now, we are going to go to types of adverbs. Simple, interrogative, and relative. I'm not going to go according to the book and say you have like some 7 simple adverbs, 6 interrogative adverbs, and no relative adverb. But it's for the ease of understanding. Again, I'm going to say that there are 6 common adverbs in interrogative and simple, and one different in simple, which we can discuss later in another video, and the relative adverbs. Now let's go one by one for each adverb. So simple or interrogative place adverb. Whichever first where is an interrogative adverb. Just memorize it. There is no other way of learning this. Where is an interrogative adverb. Now, whatever answers where in a vague manner, in an abstract manner, is a simple adverb. Like, where are you going? I am going nowhere. Nowhere is an abstract word. Everywhere, nowhere, anywhere. These all words describe a place that does not kinda exist, but tells you something about the place they are going. Or another way of saying this is, where is Delhi? Delhi is near Uttar Pradesh. So near here describes something about Delhi, the place. So when something is described about the place, this becomes a simple place adverb. Similarly is time. So when we are going to adverb interrogative time, we have to just memorize. Don't take any kind of load. Just memorize when. When is interrogative adverb of time. That's all. That's all you have to memorize. Then simple adverb of time. Whatever answers when in an abstract and vague manner is simple adverb of time. When is going to be your paper? My paper is going to be tomorrow. Now, this does not seem that vague. But if I give you a specific time, that's when it's specific. Tomorrow can be very vague. Tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, tomorrow morning. Even those are very vague. If you think quite right. So even evening is a big time slot. Till then, you do not give a specific time slot to it. It does not stop being an adverb. Then manner. How am I teaching? Again, how? Now, again, how is the manners? Sorry, how was never covered here, but how is going to come very frequently here. So, as said again, which you're going to know just right now. But how somebody is doing something is the adverb of manner. In simple, it's going to answer how it is being done. Like, how is she teaching? She's teaching nicely. She's teaching nicely. So, nicely is a simple adverb. Now comes frequency. How many times? So, how many times is an interrogative adverb of frequency. Just memorize it. There is no another way. So, how many times have you done your homework? Have you done any kind of revision? Yes, I have done my homework twice. So, I revised it once. Another is reason. What happened? So, why didn't you do something? Or why did you do something? So, interrogative adverb of reason is why. That's it. That's all has to be memorized. And the simple adverb of reason is anything that answers the why in a vague manner. Hence, therefore, like, why couldn't you help me? I was ill. Hence, I couldn't help you. Then comes quantity. So, a little, a lot, all of these are quantity. There is a difference in frequency and quantity. Frequency is a little more specific, whereas quantity is a little more vague. So whenever there is an interrogative question of quantity, that, can you guess what would be the word? It is how much. Because much is also a very vague way of asking something. So if you know it, you know it. So adverb interrogative is how much. Simple is simply a little, a lot, a little sugar in the tea. A lot of comments on this video. I hope so. So thank you. That was all for today. And that's the end of the class.